Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about uh, how to recover your missing battery icon, which was missing from your taskbar. So it's quite an easy thing to do. You should not, get um, confused about it. You just have to right click on the taskbar. In the taskbar, you will go. You will see many options over there, and if you scroll down here you will see select which icon appears on the taskbar. So you just have to click on this, right? So once you will click on this, here another window will open and you will see many options in which you will see the power option. So you just have to turn it on and see if your battery icon appears or not. And if it still does not appear on your taskbar, well, again, you do not have to panic. Okay, just minimize it and go into your search. In the search, you just have to type the device manager, right? And then you have to open the device manager window. Here, you have to see there's a batteries option, right? So you just have to click on the batteries option and the number two option, Microsoft SAPI. You just have to right click on it and enable it. So see, as soon as you enable it, you can see that the battery icon, it appears on your desktop. So it's quite an easy thing to do. In the Windows, you can do it by yourself. Thank you.